Namaste, I'm Dr. GSK Jyoti Reddy, Chief Fertility Consultant, Shaurya's Test Tube Baby Center, KPHP, Hyderabad. Today I'll speak about what is IUI, in whom is it indicated, and how is it done. IUI is nothing but intrauterine insemination. It's a procedure wherein semen sample is washed or processed and active motile healthy sperms are separated and injected directly into the uterine cavity, thus increasing the chances of conception. The goal of IUI is to increase the number of sperms that reach the fallopian tubes and subsequently increase the chances of conception. When a couple approaches a fertility specialist with history of inability to conceive even after trying naturally for at least 1 year or after few cycles of failed ovulation induction cycles or treatment cycles, they are first evaluated to know the causes of infertility and the treatment process is decided accordingly. Then, who are the people who are suitable for undergoing IUI? The most common reason is low sperm count or decreased motility, those with ejaculatory dysfunction, unexplained infertility, that is, those people in whom, despite all the investigations being normal, they may not conceive spontaneously or after few cycles of simple ovulation inductions. In ladies with thick cervical mucus or hostile cervical conditions, scarred cervix due to previous surgeries, minimal endometriosis, or young couple with less than 3 to 4 years of married life who failed to conceive spontaneously, ovulatory problems and PCOS, social issues like pressure from the family members or peer groups. Who are the people in whom IUI should not be done? Those are people with severe endometriosis, fallopian tubal block on both sides or damaged tubes, severe pelvic infections, or those with severe male factor like very low sperm count or very low motility or teratospermia, that is increased abnormal sperms. Then how is IUI done? The lady is given ovulation inducing medicines which may either be tablets or tablets plus injections to increase the number and the quality of the eggs. The cycle is monitored through follicular scans which are done every alternate day to see the follicular growth, and once the follicle, it should be between 1 to 3 follicles. Once the follicle matures, trigger injection is given and the couple are advised to come for IUI at 36 to 40 hours in case of single IUI and 18 to 24 hours and 36 to 40 hours in case of double IUI. So on the day of IUI, once the semen sample is processed, culture media is added to the sample and it is centrifuged to separate the sperms from the seminal fluid. The active motile sperms are separated and a soft catheter is used to insert the sperms directly into the uterine cavity. This procedure lasts only few minutes and it doesn't require any anesthesia and it doesn't cause any pain or discomfort. Supportive medication is given after the procedure and all the daily routine activities can be carried out till the pregnancy test is done after 2 weeks. What are the risks of IUI? It's usually a simple procedure and safe procedure without any major risk factors. Only risk is that of multiple pregnancy. That is, when we give ovulation induction agents, there may be more number of follicles and it may result in multiple pregnancy. Then what are the success rates of IUI? Success rates of IUI depend upon several factors. Normally it is between 12 to 20% per cycle and the cumulative success rates after 3 consecutive cycles may go up to 30 to 35%. Usually the female age, drugs used for treatment, severity of the male factor and other comorbid conditions, all of this influence the success rate. Thank you. Namaste.